Alright, good morning, boys. What's up? Today is Wednesday, September 3rd. Sorry I did not post yesterday. Didn't take a trade, didn't see any setups that I liked, and I ran out of ideas for other videos. So let's get into a trade recap, right? Coming into market open, I was bullish. Why was I bullish? I saw that price overnight, tapped into, respected this bullish 4-hour gap. Display is higher, also closing above this high. Higher highs, higher lows. We are in a clear uptrend. It is that simple. Higher high, higher low. We are in an uptrend. Hop down to the hourly time frame. We have this unfilled hourly gap. We didn't tap into this until market open. So we have this unfilled gap right here, and ES did tap into it. So there was an SMT at that low that I considered for longs. There was also this 15-minute order block that was driving price up pre-market. And my final call for longs was this 5-minute bullish gap and this 5-minute order block. And after we disrespected both of them at 9:29, I figured price most definitely wants to retrace to this hourly gap before pushing higher if it even does, which is exactly what it did. Go short at 9:29, stops right above this order block, TP at this low, not this low, I mean this low is the same as this low, but this is just the hourly unfilled. I believe it's also equal lows. If I'm wrong, okay, maybe they're not equal lows. Yeah, equal lows at an hourly unfilled gap. Very strong draw on liquidity. Entered short at 9:29, stops above the order block as price could tap into the order block and push lower, which is almost what it did. I don't know if there was a 2-minute or a 3-minute FVG that was actually pushing price lower. There was a 3-minute, we didn't tap into it. But yeah, 5-minute IFVG, and we did not respect this order block, so I went in short. Right there, damn. This is some of the worst price action I've seen in my life, because aside from this trade, I'm not gonna tell you that there was any other valid entries for longs. Maybe here, because we tap into an hourly gap and we get ACIs to the upside, so maybe this is somewhat valid for longs. But then you need a 30-point stop loss. And like, what are you gonna target? Like these highs, you would actually go, maybe not gotten stopped out depending on what your risk management is. But that's not a bad trade. The 1-minute CISD that formed right there. Besides that, I guess you could enter your IFVG. This move to the downside is not justified by anything. It's really stupid. I guess when you break back up here, you could enter long here, stops below this, targeting that high. That's not a bad trade at all, honestly. That's a good option. Obviously right now price is dumping. If price wants to reach midnight open or liquidity below us, maybe we are bearish on the day. We created a 1-hour bearish order block and a 15-minute bearish order block, so maybe prices want to push down from that. But my bias was bullish coming into market open. Ever since then, we have been ranging. This is a complete fucking chop fest. We are ranging like shit, right? 25-point short to the unfilled hourly off a 5-minute IFVG and 5-minute order block being disrespected, right? And on the higher time frame, technically we are in a bearish 4-hour gap. So it's not like I didn't take this trade off any Peter is, right? That was my trade for the day. My judgment was I was looking to see these highs above us get taken, but the fact that pre-market we didn't respect any bullish PD rate in this new leg and we disrespected it instead, told me price is not ready to push any higher and I am ready to go short to an unfilled gap, right? If you guys have any questions about this trade, or if you guys are interested in joining the free Discord or the vault, I don't know if the name is vault. If you guys don't like the name vault, let me know. But the vault is essentially all my videos. You have access to all my pre-recorded videos, all my concepts. I will review your trades 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I am on live for literally 2 hours each time, answering everyone's fucking questions. So if you guys have any questions about that or interested in joining, I will leave a link in the description, alright? I will see you boys tomorrow. Have a great day, trade safe, and peace out.